12 seconds left for the markets to kickstart trade, and Sony Avinash, stay on. We'll just take in some opening thoughts for you post-market open. But the markets are expected to start off, I mean, either direction they start off really down, there'll be very large reactions ahead of the FOMC. So flattish start in the green though, not quite in the red, but I mean just about 40 points here or there. So just about 0.2% really. The banks should come up on your screen. 0.25% banks are driving this up. Wonder if IT is just kind of not quite having the kind of strong that it's usually had the last few days. Actually, no. This is the mid caps, of course. Sorry. Mid caps up about 0.6%. Small cap index, and then Nifty IT will also come up on your screen. But mid cap starting off well. Let's get the small cap index 1% higher. Strong move there. And let's get the Nifty IT very quickly. The all-time highs, of course, continue for the indices. So which is a great thing as well. Nifty IT is on the back seat. Remember, I mean, this will now become a norm. Every day that we start off higher, we'll likely start off on new, fresh record highs, unless of course the market starts off really strongly and then peters off today. What's doing well? The Adani Twins, Power Grid, Bajaj Auto, NTPC, Shriram Finance. Well, that's the net set of stocks. It's across the board, but you can see PSU still up there. So anybody who thought because of a coalition government the PSU rally is dead was wishful thinking, because PSUs are up and about. In fact, the top gainer now is a PSU stock, Power Grid, but a lot of green, very little red. Dr. Reddy's the top loser, about 0.8%. Now Infi the top loser, Dr. Reddy's, Hindalco, Infi. That's essentially IT seems to be taking a bit of a backseat, and non-IT makes a comeback. It's a very strong start, Tamanna, as we speak. The Nifty 50 is now up 0.5%. This rally is alive. This rally is kicking, and it's getting everybody participating. It's not just a specific set of stocks. You could have argued that Friday was about IT predominantly. Today it's not about IT predominantly.
Absolutely. It's I would say a wholesome kind of an up move, 0.5% up on the Nifty. We've hit the all-time high, crossed it above 23,400 levels on the Nifty right now. And it is a broad-based rally, as Neeraj is talking about. We'll once again revisit and see what's happening on the mid-cap and small-cap before we go to specific stocks this morning. I just want to pull up the Bank Nifty as well for a second, please, and see what's happening there. Small cap stocks up 1% up. Bank Nifty above 50,000 as well as of now, about 0.5% up. So it's a good morning. It's a good Monday morning by all accounts. What's working and what's not? Let's start with stocks that we've been talking about. Suzlon, first one, an independent director has resigned, saying he has issues with the corporate governance. Management says no, nothing to worry about. That stock about 3% up right now. Can we just move that screen as well? PI Industries, one of their largest customer, has cut their guidance, and as a result you're seeing that stock about 1.5% down on trade, but not too badly hit really, because the move is largely positive. CEAT is the other one that I want to pull up. Nuvama has maintained its buy rating with a target price of 3,000 rupees. 2.5% up this morning. They're excited about the FY25 volume growth, which they think is likely to be higher. RVNL, we also mentioned, a lot of the rail stocks are going to be in focus today. RVNL, one of them, they've got an order from the Southern Railways, and that is something that we should watch out for. Mahanagar Gas is the other one that, I wanted to talk about. Motilal Oswal has maintained a buy on it with a 1,565 rupee target, and that stock doing well this morning in trade, about 5% up. Just KC International is the last one I'll pull up, about 1,061 crore rupee worth of orders. That stock about 5.5% up. So we've ticked the boxes, Neeraj, in terms of new levels and all-time highs. But like you said, now that's expected to happen when you were poised at the tip. But overall, people are starting off slowly, positive, but a little careful till maybe the portfolios are going to be the next big trigger.
Yeah, and for today's session, for India's perspective, Tamanna is absolutely right.